So what we're looking for with the manatees, obviously we just saw them right here, but we look for their footprint, and so we know they don't have feet, obviously, but their tail, when they push against the water, it pushes up kind of bubbles almost that leave kind of a circle of, it looks just like glass on the water, no ripples or anything. And so if we follow that trail, we can usually, see where they're heading, even though I don't even see the footprint anymore.
Yeah, he's
Here to go. Hi,
Let's finish your question. We get bonnethead sharks. We also get bull sharks sometimes, and then we get black tip, like reef sharks. Yeah, manatees behind us still.
Oh, really? They're hiding.
Oh, there's one. Right here. Oh, sweet. Here. Right back over.
So you're about to see its tail now.
See the fluke print that Grace was talking about.
Yeah, so you guys can really see that tail print right there. And what we're looking for really is just the softball size nose.
Oh, there it is. That's a dolphin.
There's a juvenile dolphin.
Cute.
That's a dolphin. And manatee. Two of them.
There's probably a mother and a juvenile. It's either a mom and a baby, or they have nanny dolphins. Sometimes the moms will hand off care of the babies too. That's just their mom or something like that. See, there's the little one.
I do some dance for you guys. So cute.
Yeah. The boat was so teeny, it was so low. You can see them.
They move really fast.
Yeah, this manatee is honestly really slow. I'm used to seeing some manatees that are a lot faster than this. But most of the time they literally just eat and sleep, and that's it. Talk about a good life, right? Come on.